So you're here. Maybe you're staring out of a bedroom window, the same view you had yesterday, dreaming of a Balinese sunset, the buzz of a market in Marrakesh. Or maybe you're already out there, living the digital nomad life. But you're finding that the digital part is eating up all the nomad time. You're trading hours for dollars, tethered to your laptop, just as securely as you were to that old office desk. You feel the pull of true freedom, the kind where your income isn't directly tied to the hours you put in. You want to explore, to experience, to live without constantly worrying about where the next paycheck is coming from. That's the dream, and it's closer than you think. This isn't another get-rich-quick fantasy. This is a practical guide for a new era of work and travel. We're living in an incredible time where technology has opened up doors, specifically artificial intelligence. Today, here now in 2025, the tools available are more powerful and accessible than ever before. We're going to talk about how you can harness this technology to build real, sustainable income streams. These are systems you can set up from your laptop, in a cafe in Lisbon, in a co-working space in Chiang Mai, or even your couch at home before you take the leap. It's about working smarter, not harder, letting machines do the heavy lifting. The old model of trading your time for money is becoming obsolete, especially for those of us who crave a life of movement and discovery. The digital nomad lifestyle promises freedom, constant hustle for freelance clients, passive income changes that entire dynamic. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, seeing that you earned money while you were sleeping, while you were hiking to a waterfall, while you were offline, enjoying a remote beach. That's not a pipe dream. It's the result of building smart systems. This essay is your starting point. It's the blueprint. We're going to break down simple, actionable strategies that you can begin implementing right away. We'll explore how AI can become your tireless virtual assistant, your creative partner, your business manager. Forget the intimidating jargon and the complex coding. We are focusing on user-friendly tools and straightforward methods that anyone can learn. This is about giving you the confidence and the know-how to build a life where your location is a choice, not a limitation, and your time is truly your own. Let's get started on building your freedom fund. Let's go. This essay will walk you through 4 distinct blueprints, each using this AI-assisted model, creating viral video content, offering high-demand language services, building a profitable blog, launching an e-commerce store. Let's start with something that has explosive potential, YouTube Shorts. These short vertical videos are YouTube's answer to TikTok, Instagram Reels. The platform is pushing them hard. This means massive organic reach is still possible, even for brand new channels. The challenge? To succeed, you need to post consistently, often multiple times a day. This is where most people burn out. But for us, this is a perfect opportunity for AI automation. Become a content factory, churning out engaging shorts with minimal daily effort. Channel grows and earns on autopilot. Here's the step-by-step process. First, pick a niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus. Amazing historical facts. Focus. Daily Stoic quotes. Focus. Bizarre travel destinations. Focus. Quick kitchen hacks. Once you have your niche, use ChatGPT to brainstorm 50 or 100 video ideas at once. For each idea, ask it for a simple 60-second script. Now you have a huge backlog of scripts without hours of research. This is your foundation. Next, visuals and voice. You don't have to be on camera or use your own voice. For audio, 11 Labs AI voice generator. Train it on your own voice for a personal touch, or choose a stock voice that fits your channel. For visuals, Pictory. For visuals and video, these platforms create clips from your script automatically. Pull from stock footage or upload your own footage. They sync visuals to the AI voiceover, add automated captions, crucial for sound-off viewers. Now the magic of batching. Dedicate one day, maybe Sunday, to create a week's or month's content. Feed scripts into the AI voice tool. Feed audio, and scripts into the AI video tool. In a few hours, you can generate 20, 30, or more shorts. Use YouTube Scheduler to publish automatically throughout the week. Your channel runs itself. Monetize as views and subs grow. YouTube Partner Program, ads, affiliate links in descriptions, selling your own digital products. If you have a knack for languages, even if you're only fluent in English, the global market for translation is booming. Businesses need everything from website copy, product descriptions, marketing, emails, user manuals. Traditionally, this is time-consuming work. But with AI, you can transform it into a scalable, semi-passive business. Use AI for the heavy lifting position yourself as the human editor who provides final polish and nuance. Establish your presence. Create a professional-looking profile on freelance platforms. Brand yourself as a fast and accurate AI-assisted translation specialist. Highlight quick turnarounds, choose your language pair, build a QC checklist, hire a first-pass editor. You become the manager, not the worker. The classic digital nomad moneymaker, the blog, is more relevant than ever in the age of AI. While some fear that AI will kill blogging, the opposite is true. It has made it easier than ever to build a content-rich website that can generate passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, digital products. A blog is your digital real estate, an asset you own completely. By using AI as your writing assistant, you can build this asset faster and more strategically than ever before, creating a resource that earns for you 24/7, whether you're online or off-grid. Choose a topic you're interested in that also has affiliate potential. Sustainable travel gear, keto recipes for air fryers, solo female travel in Southeast Asia. Use AI tools to find long-tail keywords. Instead of travel backpack, target best anti-theft backpack for European train travel. Then use ChatGPT, Jasper, to generate a content calendar with dozens of titles. This strategic front-loading ensures every piece of content you create has a purpose. Use it to generate a detailed outline, then write the article section by section. As it writes, your job is to be the editor-in-chief. Fact-check everything. Inject your own personal stories, experiences, opinions. Add your unique voice. This human element makes your blog stand out and builds trust. Use AI image generators to create unique featured images so you don't have to rely on generic stock photos. Use tools like Surfer SEO. Ask ChatGPT for your meta description and social blurbs. Then schedule posts consistently. Over months, your articles start to rank on Google, bringing in steady traffic. Visitors click your affiliate links or see ads, and you earn revenue. It's a slow build, but it creates a truly durable asset. What if you're creative but not necessarily a traditional artist? What if you want to sell products without ever touching inventory or making a trip to the post office? An AI-powered Etsy store is your answer. Sell digital products or leverage print on demand for a fully automated e-commerce business. For digital printables, custom planners, wall art, resume templates, use AI art generators. Example prompt: minimalist line art of a cat sleeping on a stack of books, watercolor style. In seconds, you have a design. Use Canva to mock up and export. Create once, sell infinitely. For print on demand, upload designs. Integrate with Etsy, shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs. Customer buys on Etsy. Order routes to your pod partner. They print, package, and ship. You never touch the product. AI helps write titles, descriptions, tags, saving hours while sales fund your travels. Theory is great, but action is what builds empires, even tiny passive income ones. It's easy to get overwhelmed and end up doing nothing. That's analysis paralysis. We'll avoid it. The journey to 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your location-independent income journey starts now. This isn't a 5-year plan. This is your launch pad for the next day, week, and month. The goal? Momentum. Small wins build confidence and lead to bigger ones. Let's get moving. One day plan. Choose and commit today. Read back through the 4 blueprints: YouTube Shorts, translation gigs, AI blogs, Etsy stores. Don't overthink. Go with your gut. Like and subscribe to Jet Set Hustle for more. Go do it.